In this video, you're going to be learning how to take your puff-puff from zero to premium class puff-puff recipe. Welcome back to my channel. We are using these chocolate chips. Whichever brand you can find in the market is fine. I'm going to pour it into my bowl or my plate, add in a tablespoon of evaporated milk or whipped cream, whichever one you can find available. Place in a bowl of hot water and stir until fully dissolved. It's going to be thick. Add in a tablespoon of evaporated milk or whipped cream, whichever one you have available. Stir until you have this light consistency. If it is still thick, add in 1 or 2 more tablespoons of evaporated milk. Now we are using these sprinkles, 2 different kind of sprinkles, digestive biscuits and your Oreo biscuits. What we are doing now, we are going to crush this biscuit until fine and set aside. If you do not have digestive biscuits, you can use chin chin or whatever biscuit can give you this color. So you don't have to go for that digestive biscuit. Yes. Now for your Oreo biscuits, go on now to take in the cream at the middle. We are not crushing our Oreo biscuits alongside with the cream because we want that white, that dark color without any form of compromise. I'm going to crush my Oreo biscuit also, and I'm going to set aside. Now we have our crushed Oreo biscuit. You can see how dark it's looking, and our crushed biscuits or digestive biscuit or chin chin, and also our sprinkles. This is our already fried puff-puff. I have a recipe on this on my channel. We're not going to go through the process of frying. Now I'm going to go on now to line my cake box. This is cupcake box. If you can find this cake box, is fine. Line it with your kitchen towel or kitchen tissue paper. It's called kitchen towel. It's like a tissue paper but different from the regular tissue paper. It's larger than the regular tissue paper. Line your cake box with it and neatly arrange your puff-puff like so. Make sure they are closely and tightly fitted, neatly arranged. Go on now, pour in your chocolate, your melted chocolate into your drip bottle or into a piping bag and make a tip, make a hole at the tip of the piping bag, just like as you do with your drip on your cake. Those of you that make cake, yes. Now just go now to swirl your puff-puff, moving your hand from left to right on each of the puff-puff. You can do this using both your dark chocolate and your white chocolate. If you have white chocolate, you can do this on top of the dark chocolate just to give the design make the design to look more pronounced and more appealing and attractive to the eyes. You're going to do this for each of the puff-puff so that you can focus on them and really swirl properly. Once you are done, we are going to go on now with our toppings. These toppings are actually up to you. You can decide to use whatever toppings you like, but these are the ones that I feel that anyone can find and use easily without stress. When you have swirled your chocolate on top of your puff-puff to your taste, go on now to add in your sprinkles. I'm adding the first kind of sprinkles, generous amount of my sprinkles. I'm going to go on now to add in the second kind of sprinkles. I just added it at the middle row. Then we're going to go on now to add in our crushed chin chin or our crushed biscuit, whichever one you have available. Then finally crushed Oreo biscuit. Now the Oreo biscuit, I'm going to take it round. I'm going to make sure that I add it on top of all the puff-puff just because I just want it to look unique. I'll go on now to add in my chocolate drip on top of the toppings just to make it look like, just to have this sandwich idea. I wanted it to look like the toppings are the middle of the drip, or is it the chocolate drip? Now this is what we get at the end of the day. So you can turn your puff-puff, your ordinary looking puff-puff that you make every day, to this and charge your clients more. If you're using it for business, then even if it's you want to make it for family, for any occasions, any get-together, instead of making the regular puff-puff in your small chop pack, you can make something like this, and you know it's going to look really unique and beautiful. I don't know if this video have helped you. I don't know whether you've learned something new. If you have, to like, to share and comment, and see you in my next one. God bless you.